Hey you lovely readers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Read with Mika. How are you all guys doing? I hope you are reading a lot and enhancing your knowledge. So for today's video, I'm here to bring few new additions to your bookshelf, as this is the second part of the Amazon Great Indian Sale book deals or grab your book deals. So I made the first part in the first or second week of October. That time I didn't knew that sale is going to be that long. Now the sale is till 2nd of November. So you still have around a week or 5-6 days to grab some books. And for this video, the second part, I am deciding to give it a dedication to only non-fiction reads, and I will be covering not only the self-help books but also motivational, business economics, health and fitness, and so on. So let me start showing you the books for the Kindle or any other. There are some books that I already own from that from the books I am going to talk about here. So I'll place it like here or here somewhere. And for the books that I don't own or own a Kindle version, I'll place a screenshot of the Amazon page here, so you can check it out. And also I will also give the links in the description down below, so it will be easy for you to grab those books without any hustle. So let's start the video, and don't forget to stay till the end, as I'm going to make a giveaway announcement. I also made it in the last video as well, but just a reminder, it is till 31st of October, that is the Halloween night. It's a Diwali giveaway. So 2 books I am deciding to put up as a giveaway, so don't forget to participate on that as well. For that, you have to visit my Instagram page. I have put up the giveaway there, and to participate, follow the rules, and let's dive into the video. Thank you. So starting off my recommendation with none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, who is still an inspiration for millions of people, a legend, who is the author as well. And I have 2 books by him to recommend and refer. The first one is The Turning Points, A Journey Through Challenges. I have the Kindle version of this book. I'll attach a screenshot here for your reference, and the link in the description. And the other book is Learning How to Fly, Life Lessons for the Youth. So I have heard a lot about this book, and I'll be buying it, either the paperback version or the Kindle version, very soon. And the next book is a physical copy. Few books I have kept here as a physical copy, and the first one is this by Robin Sharma. I have 3 books by Robin Sharma to recommend to you guys. The first one is this, The Monk Who Sold the Ferrari. I haven't read this book yet, and this book is also available in quite a cheap rate. And the next one is this, Who Will Cry When You Die. I have already read this book in last year during the pandemic, and to be honest, this book gave me a lot of motivation at that time. Me and my father loved this book. The only thing that bothers me a little bit, though the book was really nice and up to the mark, there were few quotes, or there were few beliefs that were quite basic. I know basic things are also really important. So this was a great read, I must say. And the next one is this. This is quite a fascinating read if you are into reading business and economics books. This is Manav Kapadia, and though he was an employee in Google a few years back, and then he decided to run his restaurant, and this book is all about his struggles and all the journey he explored and he walked through. And I must say, it is also a really fascinating read and a really knowledgeable read, I must say. So the third one is, this is one of my favorite books. And why? Because this is the first book that I ever read on fitness or anything, and to be honest, this is quite practical enough to imply and use it in a normal life and get your fitness habits better. It is Fitness Habits by Amresh Oja and Shubhra Moitra. I really love this book. I read this book few months back only, and from the first chapter and from the beginning itself, it was quite knowledgeable and quite absorbing that what steps I should take to improve my fitness and health and well-being. So this was it. The next one is Inner Silence by author Naveen Narayanan. It is not a cheap book. I don't say that it's quite grab a deal. So it's not a really cheap book. It's an expensive book. Even on Amazon, it cost around 400 or something. But this is a quite relishing read, especially for the people who loves reading about the karma and how our body, mind, atma, karma, and these things function and all that. So I really love reading this book. If you aim to buy any book in this budget and that to a non-fiction read, you can invest in this book, I must say. And let's dive into the next book. So now let's talk about the second last book of this day or this video, which is not exactly a non-fiction read. It's a fiction read, means it's a storytelling book which has self-help and motivating elements, as the story is quite motivating and inspirational. And the crux of this book is about leadership, and the story though follows all the knowledge and lessons about the crux. And I really enjoyed reading this book. I myself learned a lot about leadership and all the qualities that a leader should have. And it's the book The Roaring Lamps by author Sridhar Bavera. So now let's talk about the last read of this day or the last book of this video, which is by author Robin Sharma. As I told you earlier that I'll be talking about 3 books by him, and it is the third last book, and Cherry on Top, which is a new release by him. So the book name is The Everyday Hero Manifesto, and it has released almost a month or a week or a few weeks ago only. So I'll be grabbing it soon, either the Kindle version or maybe the paperback version, but I'll be preferring Kindle version more because my bookshelf is really getting out of space, and so I am more now intriguing to and involving to Kindle stuff more. So that's it for today's video. So for the giveaway announcement, I have made it in the previous video as well, and here it is. I'll attach the giveaway picture here. So for this you have to follow me on Instagram, and I will link my Instagram and the post link down in the description. So follow the rules. You don't have to do much, just follow me on Instagram, comment your favorite reads or something, and then I'll count your entry. And if you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which of these books you will be thinking to buy in the last day of the sale, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, and thanks for watching. Bye.